Hi, this is David Burchell with Fresno Realty, and we've got a beautiful property to show you today. It's got all kinds of upgrades through the home, crown molding, brand new tile floors. It's got backsplashes and granite countertops. You're gonna love this home. Let's check it out. Hey, now wasn't that a great home? Now this is David Burchell with Fresno Realty, showing you the people, the places, the great lifestyles, and the amazing homes of the Central Valley. Right here in Fresno, this home's available. If you have questions about it, call me 559-681-4284.